Hey YouTuber, today I'm gonna show you the two reasons for the rattling sound, the rattling noises, happen in the rear end of a Dodge Caravan. Look at this, is the passenger side, rear wheel side, the rear wheel, and then you can see this is the caliper of the brake. You can see a little metal over here. Sometimes this metal, aftermarket shoe pad, which is the brake pad kits, they come with this metal. It's loose, it's getting loose, it's not biting really tight over here, and when you apply the brake, it will cause a sound like a click, click, click like that, which is this guy, this little metal thing. I don't think it's gonna cause any safety issues, but it's really annoying. You just can hear the sound and you didn't know what's going on and you panic, so this is one of the reasons. As soon as you move this part, it's loose here, so you will know that's the right reason. Okay, this little metal in the end of the brake pad. See, this is the caliper, and this is the shoe. Sorry, this is the pad, and this is the end click. So this the thing caused the noise. Okay, this is one of the reasons. The other reason I need to show you is this guy. Okay, look at this. It's a 2008 Dodge Caravan, and this is the passenger side rear wheel. And from the bottom, you can see this is the heat seal, just right beside the exhaust pipe. You can see the closure. This is an aluminum thing, and this is the screw. Obviously it's metal, so the aluminum thing with the metal, it get rusty and get reaction, cause the corrosion, and it already all corroded, so it won't hold this heat seal anymore. So it's getting loose. Sometimes it's shaking. It will go like this. Yeah, you can hear from while you're driving, especially passing a speed bump or some bumpy terrain, something. You go like this. You go like this. Yeah. So you really don't know the reasons. So how to repair this? You just need you need to repair the screw here, the thread, because obviously you can see all of them. This is almost done. Yeah, see, it's all corroded, so you can't remove it. Obviously, you're gonna break it, right? So all you need to do is, that's what how I did it. I just use this is my die wrench. So you use a 1024 die nut, and then to repair the thread, you just do it like this, like this, like this, really gentle. Yeah, to repair this thread, go like this. Sorry, I can't show you because I have to hold the camera. So you just repair it like this. You see the thread? You might apply some WD-40 or some cutting oil or something to repair the thread like this. Because the 1024 screw, the nut is really easy to find, right? So you just repair the thread first, and then use a really big washer. You can use double washer if you don't have the bigger one. But I happen to have this guy. I remove this from old caulking gun, so it's on the both end of the cylinder. I find it's really a good idea to make this project. So you got a small hole, you got the big flange. Sorry. So I just put it like this. Put it like this. Okay, give me 1 second. I get the screw. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay, and this is my 1024 stainless nut. So you just do it like this. Just do it like this, like this. Lock nut. You better use a lock nut. You don't want it come out again, right? So and then use a little socket, N24 10mm socket to tighten it. So don't over tight it, because this head shoe, you're gonna leave some, some space for the, just for the insulation, right? So you go like this. Once it's secure enough, so you see, it won't sigh anymore. So hopefully this will help you guys to fix the noise, the rattle noise. But of course, you need to inspect a lot of things to make sure it doesn't doesn't happen because other safety issue like the shocks, like the brakes, especially no cracking on the wheel. That's very important. After you get rid of at all of those reasons, if you pull out your hair, you cannot figure out what happened. Look at this guy, okay? I think this is mine, and this is how I repair. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps somebody. Bye.